Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about extracting your audio from your video files in your iPhone without using any third-party applications whatsoever. And if you're new to this channel, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright, let's get into it. First off, what you want to do is in your iPhone, you find the Shortcuts application. If you can't find the Shortcuts application on your phone, what you do is you swipe down and you search Shortcuts application. And in your top hits, you should be able to find your Shortcuts application. If you still can't find it, what you do is you go to the App Store and then you search Shortcuts. So maybe if it got accidentally deleted or something, it should open up here. So since I already have it, I just have to open it. If you don't have it, just click download and then you can open it. So let's go ahead and go to the Shortcuts application now. So once you get to the Shortcuts application, what you want to do is on the top right, you have the plus icon. That means adding a new shortcut. So you click that and you add a new shortcut. And then what you want to do is you want to rename your shortcut to something easier to understand for you. So I'm going to put extract audio to make things much simpler. And then what you want to do, all the way at the bottom, you have this information icon with an eye and a circle around it. What you want to do is you click that first. When you click that, you get a section like this. And under the details tab, there's a part, the second part, show in share sheet. You turn that on. Once you turn that on, you will get a prompt like this. And here, after the receive part, there's a section called images and 18 more. You click that and you get all of these turned on sections. What you want to do is turn all of those off. Now you can either manually do it or on the top left, there's a button called clear. And if you click clear, all of them will get turned off. And the only thing that you want to keep turned on is the media. Once that's turned on, you click done, and then right under the prompt, you can add another action. Once you click add action, then you want to get to the search bar. And in the search bar, you type in encode media, and then you click on encode media. And then right under encode, it says shortcut input, and if you click the arrow right next to it, it'll have a drop-down menu. So once you click the drop-down, you get a section called audio only. You want to turn that on, and then next thing is the format. Leave it as M4A, and even if it's not, click it and go to M4A. And the next thing you want to do is on the bottom, you have this section called search for apps and actions. You click that, and under the search bar, you search save. And then under documents, you get this section called save file. You click on save file, and that'll add in as well. And then once you click the drop-down menu for save, it'll ask where to save, and then you leave that on. Once all of that is done, you click done on the top right, and you will create the shortcut in order to extract audio from video. And now to test this shortcut, what you want to do is you go to photos, and you go to the video section, a video that has audio obviously, and then you click a video. So I'm going to take this video as an example. In the bottom left corner, you have the share button. And once you click share, once you go down to the bottom, you see extract audio as a shortcut you created. You can also add the action as a favorite as well. And then it will always appear at the top. And then you can click extract audio. Depending on the size of your or the length of your video, it'll take a bit of time, not too much time. And then it will open My Files on the iPhone app. And then what you want to do is on the top, you can select where you want to save it to. So I'm going to select on my iPhone. And then I'm going to hit the top right corner, open. Once you click the open part on top right corner, it will automatically save that audio file. And then you'll get a tick bar on the top saying it's done. So what you want to do next is go to Files on your iPhone. And then you see here, the audio has been saved. As you can see, it's the same audio from that video. So that's how you do it. You basically create a shortcut to extract the audio from the video, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys found this useful. And as usual, thank you for watching.